Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry and Mowers and Blowers. Mailbag. I always wanted a Dewalt impact driver. I was too cheap about a year ago to buy one because it was always more expensive. So I have this Black & Decker one that I've used for over a year. It's worked great. I love it, right? You guys have seen me use this in all my videos. Saves my elbow with tendonitis, no more twisting nuts and bolts and screws with my wrists, my elbow. You get carpal tunnel syndrome with this, and all that. It's really saved me a lot. I love it. Don't get me wrong. But even though it's a 20 volt, it's not as strong in terms of torque power. Like there are some tight bolts that I just can't get off sometimes, and I have to get a breaker bar, So it's good for what it is, right? But it's a 1/4 inch. As you also have seen me use a lot is my Harbor Freight Tools 1/2 inch electric impact. I got this for 40 bucks with the coupon. It's really good. I've used this for about a year and a half, and it does everything I need it to do. It's great. This is better. I don't care what you guys say. This is better than any air tools. Okay, much stronger than air tools. So I have the 1/4 inch, I have the 1/2 inch, but I never had a 3/8 one. And I always wanted a Dewalt. Dewalts are stronger in terms of torque power, right? So I've been watching it. Home Depot and Lowe's, they had comparable models and stuff. Then I saw one for 99 bucks, comes with a bag, a charger, and 2 batteries. Yes, this is only a 12 volt. Not an 18 or a 20, which is probably what I wanted. But I saw that their 12 volt one was like $289, almost 3 times the price. So I figured, let me just try this 12 volt, It was only $99, shipped, delivered to my house, plus 8 bucks tax, so $107. I don't see how they could fit a bag in here, though. See the box? I don't see how you can fit a bag in here. It's supposed to come with a bag, 2 batteries, charger, and the driver. There ain't nothing else in the box. So if you can squeeze a bag in here, I guess it's a cheap bag, They're not going to give me a super heavy-duty bag for $99, right? Right. So, I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Dewalt 3/8. Oh, look, it does have a bag. So I'm going to give you the specs on this. You guys can tear me apart in terms of whether or not I got a good deal or not. Hey, it's 100 bucks. I sell a couple of parts, crappy parts on eBay. 100 bucks right there. So it's a 3/8 impact wrench kit. It says 30% more torque, 17% shorter. This is the DCF902F2. Delta Charlie Foxtrot. 99+TAX Foxtrot 2. Remember, I was with the police department one time. And the airlines. We all say, in the airlines, niner, so you don't confuse 9 with like 5 or something. And, that's why you say it. Delta Charlie Foxtrot. Police department in NYPD was David Charlie Francis. We use people's names. With the airlines, it's Delta Charlie Foxtrot. Just a little bit of tidbit of information there. Alright, so here we go. Nice, cute little bag, right? I'm going to open it up. Instruction manual. Rip! I don't need no stinking instructions. Instructions are for girls. Belt clip. Like I'm going to walk around with it hanging on my belt. Pull my shorts down. There it is. Oh, dudes. This is tiny, man. Look at this. That is tiny, huh? Holy. That's cool. it's so small. So, I don't know. Just given what I see here, I just don't anticipate this having more power than that. This is a 20 volt. This is a 12 volt. But look how tiny it is. Oh! It's brushless. I don't really know how it spins without a brush on there. You know what I mean? It's supposed to work like a alternator or generator. You know, you have to have brushes to have contact with the spinning axle. You know what I mean? That's small. Look at that. That'd be really convenient to use, actually. It's cool. It has 3 LED lights over here. Let me get the battery. So inside the case is a charger, right? DCB Delta Charlie Bravo 112. 12 volt, 220 volt max lithium ion. So you can charge the 12 volt batteries on here too, which is cool. Because if I don't feel like I have enough power, I'll go buy a 20 volt battery. How much is a 20 volt battery? $60! Which is why I thought it was a great deal to get 2 batteries, right? These batteries are super expensive. So if I can get 2 batteries and the tool, you're a tool, and the charger and a bag for $99, that's a pretty good deal. So I don't anticipate these being charged fully. There should be some charge in it, at least enough for me to demonstrate to you how it works. Nothing else in the bag except for cardboard. Alright, so here we go. Ooh. So the light is always on. I don't really like it that the light is always on, because you're wasting electricity when you need it. It should only go on when you're triggering. You follow? I wonder if there's a way for me to... Oh, look. There's an indicator about how much battery life is left. And there's only 1 bar out of 3 that's lit. So this is going to need a charge. I wonder if there's a lever or a button that you push to... On the top here, it has low and high. And I can't seem to change any of it. Oh, okay. I see. I gotcha. Alright. What does that mean? Does that mean it's on? See, the light is still on. Maybe I should read the instructions. No, I'm not going to read the instructions. Half inch. I don't know. It seems kind of hard, stiff to get in there. It doesn't just like pop on, you know? Oh, the light went off. I see, okay. So you press it, it goes on, and it stays on for a while. And then it goes off. Well look, that doesn't seem very strong. I'm holding it. And it's on high. I don't know if I'm holding it. That doesn't seem too strong. Right? Does that make sense? Here, I'm going to try this one. Oh, same thing. I see. The more I press it, the harder it is. It's cool. It's so small. Very cool. I like it. So I'm going to charge this up, both batteries, and I'll probably use it on my next application, which is, I have 2 push mowers that I'm working on. So anyway, so far so good. Watch my video tomorrow when I work on 2 push mowers. I'll be using that, okay? I'll let you guys know how it is. But that's a pretty good deal. It's available at Lowe's right now online. Free shipping. You just got to pay tax, which is $8 bucks, 8 something. And this is a 12 volt impact driver, 3/8. Dewalt. Small. Light. It's way lighter than this. I'm glad to have it. I mean, it's so light. It's so small. It's like an extension of my arm. So I'm pretty happy with what this is right now. Watch the video tomorrow to see me actually use it. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. So I've placed the charger on this level here. I have this one that I use to plug into my Black & Decker. I kind of like the platform thing better, you know. I have another one here that's plugged into my Craftsman power drill. Batteries lasted like 5 years. Amazing. So this is just plugged in this way, and that's one of these things. I don't really like that. I mean, it's kind of convenient, but I kind of like having this platform here like that. So this is one of the 2 spare batteries, and I'm just going to charge this one while the other one's there. I mean, I'm assuming that's it. So I guess it's charging when it's blinking red. When it's done, I'm sure it's green somewhere, maybe this light over there. So I'm going to let it charge for a while. I said earlier that this thing charges both the 12 and the 20 volts. I said 12, 20. Let's see how long it takes for me to charge this.
Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at mowersblowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on my next project. Have a great day.